chaos in the courthouse did not help a Knox County man at trial. Anthony Williams was found guilty of armed robbery and home invasion yesterday. The prosecutor expressed relief over the outcome, noting that Williams tried to disrupt the trial, including bringing a book to the court titled Murder in the Courthouse. On August 25th of last year, Williams and an accomplice followed a man from a bar, brutally attacked him with a pellet gun, resulting in serious injuries, and stole nearly $500. Williams will be sentenced on August 26th.